You're gonna love the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. This Ridgeline takes a thoughtful approach to meeting the demands of your active lifestyle. You'll love its rugged capability, smooth ride, and easy handling, as well as its clever cargo and entertainment solutions and customizable all-weather driving modes. It's a hard-working pickup truck that's anything but ordinary. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, rear AC, alarm, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection. Feel the freedom of the unconventional and the delight of the extraordinary. Come in today and test drive this Honda Ridgeline.